welcome back to Hobby Lobby Day. I don't have a certain day for Hobby Lobby, so I'm just going to say Hobby Lobby Day. What was it, 80 or 90% off? So let me just get into this video and show y'all. Yes, I just happened to drive down to see if my Hobby Lobby was back open, and y'all, they was open on Saturday. I am super psyched. So let me show y'all what I picked up. Now, this is my favorite part of the video. Once again, these were down in the 90% in my Hobby Lobby, and they are invitations. I couldn't even, well, I could have made these myself, but why go through the hassle when you can get them for $1.74? And these are originally $6.99 a pack. So I'm gonna take one out of the, ooh, look at all that glitter sprinkling, just to show you what they look like. Now I'm gonna have to Mod Podge these because they are not sealed, and it is a lot of glitter, and I don't need all this on me today, but this is what it actually looks like. See the glitter, and that's the sample of what you can actually put on your invite. Oops, look at all that glitter, and here's one plain. And then here's one where they give you the sample of it. So whenever function I'm gonna have, I will use these and seal this glitter, so when people open them, as you see my hand, they won't have their face and everything covered with glitter. And then it comes with a lovely white and silver envelope. The front has the silver going around and plain to address it. And it also came with double-sided tabs for the front of the invite. And I'm trying to see, and then these are the cards. So you would put whatever you're gonna put on here, put the little tab on the back, and then you stick it in front. So it's like a 3D effect, just like this one. Isn't that fabulous, y'all? So I got it in silver. And if you want it to be a cheapo like me, you can actually just use this and put the wording on it, and then save these for another invite. So you can get 2 in 1. And just, you know, replicate this place card on some card stock, and then you could do, you know, 2 more invites. That's my plan if I ever have a function to send these out. So once again, these were $1.74, and you know I didn't get 1 pack. I got 2 packs. And it comes with 10 in a pack, which makes it 20. So I got 20 invitations. And bam, found it in the gold. I'm not taking it out because I don't want it all over the house. And I got 2 packs in the gold. So if you're having a gold and a silver party, you can send 10 of these out and 10 of the gold, the silver out. And this gives me a total of 40. But if you remember what I just said, I can also make my own, print it out, and use this middle one for an extra one. So instead of having 40, I have 80. And I would just go buy plain white envelopes and send those out if I was to do it that way. But you get the idea. So for $1.74 a piece, these came up to $7 for 40 invitations, high quality invitations. Okay, so as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Like this video, please give me a thumbs up. leave me a comment down below, and make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can see future videos of my shopping hauls. Thank you and have a blessed day, and I'll see y'all in the next video. And remember, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all take care.